So hello, good day. This is the second video. This video is all about the normality testing and Spearman rank correlation. By definition, Spearman rank correlation is used when you have two rank variables and you want to see whether the two variables vary. Whether as one variable increases, the other variable tends to increase or decrease. In this video, we will utilize the Spearman rank correlation to test the x and y variables in the given dataset. But before that, we will first use the Kolmogorov to test the normality of the sample data. So it is used to know whether the sample data from the dataset is normally distributed or not normally distributed. Okay, so first let's find out if the sample data in X variable is normally or not normally distributed. So this is the distribution summary. So the result, the value of the K to S test statistic is 0.12361 and the p-value is 0.39739. Your data does not differ significantly from that which is normally distributed. So the X variable, the sample data from X variable is normally distributed. So next is a distribution summary for Y variable. So the result is the value of the K to S test statistic is 0.13568. The p-value is 0.28932. Your data does not differ significantly from that which is normally distributed. So the result for the Y variable is normally distributed. So in this case, we will no longer use the Spearman rank correlation calculator since we have already found out that the X and Y variables are in normality or they were normally distributed. To sum up the result, this is the narrative discussion. Condition: significance level is 0.05. If computed p-value is greater than 0.05, then the data is normally distributed. While if the p-value is less than 0.05, then the data is not normally distributed. Results: child's height is normally distributed. The age is normally distributed. So the child's height is the x variable and the age is the y variable. Data analysis. The data had been tested with normality testing to determine whether the sample data from the given dataset is normally distributed or not. The normality test for the computed p-value of x variable is 0.39739, which is greater than 0.05 level of significance. It suggests that the sample data from x variable is normally distributed. On the other hand, the normality test for the computed p-value of y variable is 0.28932, which is greater than 0.05 significance level. Therefore, the sample data from y variable is also normally distributed.